Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2021 Scout 235 XSF. Give you a little profile view of the boat first. So beginning here on the Scout 235 XSF, let me give you a little spec information first. The boat is 23 foot 8 inch overall. It has an 8 foot 6 inch beam, a dry weight of about 3,700 pounds, not counting the motor. So beginning here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the 300 horsepower V8. Great motor, great match for this boat. You see we've got the SeaDek material on the swim platform to give you good traction. As you step up into the cockpit, the boat is equipped with the rear pull down seat. So when you're fishing, it closes up out of the way. You've got a nice leaning position here. You have a slide out cooler under the helm seat. And then moving up to the dash, Scout does a great job with their dash. It's a very clean look. All your toggles are very neatly labeled. You have the flush mount Garmin system for your chart plotter. You have Mercury vessel view, digital throttle and shift, Lenco trim tabs, Fusion stereo, and then your glove box as well. You also have the nice glass enclosure with the fiberglass hardtop. Moving up midship, you have a very spacious console. It also has a pump out head. It also has great storage for your bow table, your teak bow table. Moving further forward, one of the best features on this boat is the storage under the console seat. So you've got room to store your mount for your table. Great place to put all your beach equipment, keep all the clutter out of the boat. Further forward, you have storage or cooler, however you choose to use these compartments under each port and starboard bow seat with removable backrest. You see you have JL audio speakers. Your anchor locker all the way forward also doubles as a nice casting deck. So it's very clean here. You've got recessed cleats along with your cup rod holders. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thank you for taking the time to check out our Scout 235 XSF. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.